one big platform. I'm having a little bit of a nervous breakdown because I think it's huge. Oh boy. Eek. Oh man, guys. She's gonna be heavy. Eek. I'm so excited. Alright, here we are. Finally, we have some progress. This thing is way bigger than I imagined it would be, but oh my gosh, the birds are gonna love it. So, this is a little wobbly, so they're going to get some stuff to kind of make it a little bit better. But so this is it, guys. This is where the bird feeder that we have, that is, I don't know if you can see it right there, this one is going to go right here in the center. This is going to have some netting, like screen around it, and then we're going to have like a metal thing on top. And then this is just going to have things that go across, like the JEP gate back there with our grapevine. It's going to grow across the top, and then there's going to be slats that go to run this way where we can put some up for feeders. But yeah, this is the update. And then that wire will go into the 2 cameras. I'm so excited. And here it is from a distance. So you can still see the yard a bit, but yay, I'm so excited. Alright, so remember when I was explaining that this guy that was back there, this is where it's sitting, so on that little post. The dream is coming true, guys. The dream is coming true. Alright, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.